Alright, hello my fellow investors. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about Zomedica. Now what is Zomedica? Zomedica is a stock that I'm currently day trading, along with Tyne Pharmaceuticals and another stock that I will be recommending later on this week. So stay tuned for that video, by the way. Now currently, I did make a profit in these two stocks today. Now, today I want to talk about Zomedica. Currently at its low, it was 13 cents. When I bought into it, it went up to 15 cents. When it went up to 15 cents, I did sell, and I made a huge little profit. After that, it came and dropped down, and then it went back up to about 14 cents, but I didn't sell till it was up here to 15 cents again. So I made about a similar profit. It was slightly smaller, but it was still a profit. So I made a few $1,000 there. Same thing with Tyne Pharmaceuticals. I got it from its low to its high point. I made a few $1,000s there, and I did not invest in it down here because the volume was starting to get low and it slowly started coming down. So you can actually pay attention when the volume starts decreasing. You know that it's probably not going to be as active and your profits won't be as high. So I'll explain that later in the class that I'm going to do later on day trading. Okay. So again, Zomedica is a stock that I recommend you guys putting in your watch list. Pay attention to it and see how it fluctuates and kind of do a mental day trade. So like, let's say, hey, I could have bought here and I could have sold here. Constantly be looking at that and eventually have the little guts to actually do it and only invest about $100. If you only make like a $2 profit, then you can actually eventually multiply that whenever you want to take a bigger risk. But again, day trading is always a risk. So know that you can actually lose a lot of money quickly or gain a lot of money quickly. As quickly as you can be up $400, you can be down $400 just by that one little cent move. So have that in mind all the time. That is the risk of day trading. Not everyone can always successfully day trade. But if you learn and you pay attention and you find the patterns and you're actually dedicated to learning, then you will succeed eventually. For me, it took me a long time, but I'm finally doing it, and it just feels good when I get to do it. I constantly get excited when I find a good day trade, and I constantly make money from it. It's just the most exciting thing every day. So it's really, really motivating and rewarding. So again, look at the stock, pay attention to it, put it in your watch list. As long as with Tyne Pharmaceuticals, pay attention to these stocks, see how they fluctuate, then eventually be like, okay, this is the lowest point it usually gets, so let me try buying here. And then when it goes up to this point, let me sell it. That's pretty much what you have to do with each stock. But, the same thing you do with a swing trade or a long-term invest, you want to find the same patterns, but in different timings. If that didn't sound clear to you, please ask me down in the comments below and I'll try to explain it a little bit later. But I'm not trying to do this video too long. I'm just here to recommend you Zomedica and explain to you how I made my profits today. And yeah, I made a couple of $1,000 just overall by these 2-cent moves. And just understand that a stock doesn't have to fluctuate big to make profits. Know that stocks like this, you can buy a lot of them, and a little move can be very profitable. Because if you invest $1,000, or if you buy 1,000 shares at 15 cents, how many shares can you get, right? And 1 cent move will make you a huge profit. So just pay attention to that, guys. That plays a key part. So gain knowledge, find the right stocks, day trade them. If you can, if you have the knowledge, at your own risk, and learn, because there is a lot of money right there to be made. And I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm tired, so time to knock out, but I'm posting this video so you guys can try to catch some day trades tomorrow if you can. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, please like the video, share it, subscribe, comment down below. Anything, guys, help me out with these videos because it does motivate me to make more the more feedback I get from you guys, because I know I'm actually helping. So thank you for everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.